Hi everyone and welcome. So today we will be seeing how to lift up your neck area and how to get rid of any turkey neck you might be having or any sagging neck, all of that. And a lot of you were asking about neck wrinkles. Then I was like, I cannot be giving you the advice on that because I do have neck wrinkles from the time when I was in my 20s or maybe when I was even a teenager. I've had them for like forever. So having neck wrinkles is considered to be lucky. And if you are having tech neck because if you didn't have that earlier and now you have started getting it, it can be because of using a lot of mobile, having wrong posture. But today I'm going to teach you some exercises which will help you not only lifting up this area and making everything firm and lifted. So how do you do all of that? And it will also help in your wrinkles around this area, which is the décolletage wrinkles that you start getting as you start aging. So how do you lift up all of that? That's what we're gonna see. So let's start. So number one thing that I always do in my videos is warming up, and for that you have to tap your face, your neck area, and like this area, tap it around like that for around 15 to 20 seconds. Always you do that, especially when you are starting any facial exercise. And I would recommend this thing to be done in the morning because you will observe when you get up that you do have a lot of sleep lines. So as soon as you get up, do these exercises. Okay, so number one, what you have to do is you have to keep your hands like this on one over the other like that. You're going to hold on to the skin of your chest or your neck area like this, and then you're going to lift up your neck looking up. So how do you do this? You hold your neck like this, then you look up like this. You will already feel the stretch around this area, and keeping the hands like this is the logic that we're gonna provide a little bit of resistance to this muscle. So keep it like this, look upwards, and then you try to blow kisses to the ceiling. So how do you do that? Let's do. So initially you start with doing it 10 times. Now you're not done yet. You have to do a rotation of this. So how do you do this? It's very important how to position your hand. So do look carefully and try doing it with me also if you want to right now. So after that you're gonna bring this hand around this area, around this muscle, and place your other hand over it. Look like this. You should feel the stretch around this area. So look around, don't twist a lot, just a little bit twist. I would say around 30 degree like that. Then you look up and you blow the kisses. After that, you're going to move your hand a little bit up towards your shoulder, and you're going to twist your head even more, and then you're going to look up, and you will eventually also feel the pull around this area. Wherever you've kept the hand, you will feel the pull. So keep moving and rotating your hands as you rotate your head. So you're going to look like this around 90 degree now, yeah, like this, and then I'm going to look up. So do it 10 times. Then you come to the center again, and then you do it once again. You repeat at the center, look up, similarly you're going to do around this area. Doing around this area. this is one rotation that you did. So in the beginning you start doing with one rotation, and do this once or thrice a week initially. Don't overdo the exercises. So do try this and do let me know in the comment box below that how did it work for you. Did you feel any improvements? Be consistent and you will be. Do check out my other facial exercises, and do comment below if you have any other questions, or if you want me to make any other videos. I'll be more than happy to do that. Take care. Bye.